Investing in growth stocks can be a challenging craft that presents its own set of puzzles. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, you're bound to encounter occasional challenges along the way. However, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference in working through these challenges with success. Relative strength line is just such a tool. At MarketSmith, it is the blue line just below the stock's price bars. It compares a stock's price action to that of the Nifty 50. A rising line tells you the stock is outperforming the benchmark index. Even if a stock falls in price, if the Nifty 50 falls harder, the stock's RS line still rises. A falling RS line over a period of weeks or months says the stock is being passed up. RS lines near highs show a stock that is steadily outpacing the general market. RS lines near lows indicate a stock is struggling and can't muster the strength to compete with its peers. You would like to see a relative strength line making new highs as a stock breaks out or even before a breakout. That's ideal. Sometimes, such as when a stock makes a big move out of a deep base, the RS line is not actually seizing new highs at the breakout, but the direction, particularly before the breakout, can be an important indicator, corroborating the strength of a stock as you prepare to make an initial buy. As the general market goes through a downtrend, you would like to see the stocks that are holding well. Those are the potential next big winners. At MarketSmith, we are committed to providing investors with the tools they need to outperform the market. One such tool that we offer is the blue dot, which appears on the RS line. When the RS line hits its 52-week high, a blue dot will appear, indicating that the stock is exhibiting strong price performance as compared to general market and may be worth investigating further. Now, how do you find which stocks are hitting 52-week high in RS line? The answer is Blue Dot List. You can visit the Idea List page and click on the Blue Dot List under MarketSmith stock screens. The list will have all the stocks that have hit the 52-week high in RS line recently. Like any other lists, Blue Dot List also have all the key ratings and ranking with current price and volume action. However, two metrics that are specific to this list are event date and count. Event date is the date when the stock hit 52-week high in RS line. If a stock hitting new high in RS line multiple times in last 90 days, it will show you the last date of the event. You can click on the column header and sort the date to see most recent events at top. On the other hand, count shows you the number of times the RS line has hit its 52-week high in last 90 days. Let's say you are seeing a number 20. That means the stock's RS line has touched its 52-week high 20 times in last 90 days. Higher the number, the better. Finally, here's a valuable tip for investors. When you see a growth stock forming a chart pattern and a blue dot on the RS line, there's a good chance that you are looking at a potential big winner. This is a signal that the stock is exhibiting strong price performance as compared to general market and has the potential for significant price move. To capitalize on this opportunity, it's important to study the stock in greater detail and gather more information about its fundamental and technical performance.